Hey there, welcome back to Plugged In. I'm Sarah, and in this video, we're going to take a quick look at one of the WordPress plugins that gets a ton of use on the Gravity team, Code Snippets. Code Snippets is a great tool if you're looking for a simple, easy way to add code to your WordPress website without having to modify your functions.php file. The plugin comes recommended from Chris on the Gravity team, and as he puts it, I use the Code Snippets plugin to quickly add Gravity forms and WordPress customizations. I like the syntax hiding editor, the option to limit where the snippets run, and the ability to activate and deactivate the snippets. In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly get up and running with the Code Snippets plugin, so let's dive in. To install the plugin, simply head to the Plugins page within your WordPress dashboard and search for Code Snippets. Once it's installed, you'll notice a Snippets section on your sidebar. Click on that and you'll be able to browse the pre-installed snippets. To add your own snippet, click Add New. As an example, let's look at one way you can use Code Snippets with Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms includes many built-in filters that we can use to further customize our forms. For instance, I have an e-commerce form that I like to modify and change the word price on my product fields to cost. I can grab the product price filter from our docs site linked below and paste it into the snippet content field. This filter can be applied to all forms on your site or one specific form by adding the form ID after the filter name. I'll also add a description for my snippet and add a Gravity Forms tag. The toolbar on the right side of the screen can then be used to further customize the snippet. You can activate or deactivate the snippet, choose the locations you'd like the snippet to be run in, and change the priority of the snippet. For most instances, you can leave the snippet priority at the default value of 10. Code Snippets also offers a pro version if you need access to features like conditional logic with your snippets, AI integration, CSS snippets, and more. Once you're done, be sure to save your snippet. Now, whenever I use my e-commerce form, the product field will use the word cost instead of price for the items I'm selling. For a full list of Gravity Forms filters that you might want to use with Code Snippets, head to our docs site linked below. If you have any questions or need any help, just let us know in the comments below, and be sure to check out our Plugged In playlist where you can find more videos of our favorite WordPress plugins. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.